The one behind me is us for the pulp egg tray, fruit tray and other industries. A color digital inkjet printing machine developed. This machine prints patterns on the surface of water-absorbing materials. No wetting, no plate making, no color grading. Import images for immediate printing. Three-sided printing is completed at one time. Printing speeds can reach 40 meters per minute. Can replace the traditional screen printing, pad printing, labeling, etc. Greatly reduce production costs and improve production efficiency. Realize small batch customization and fast shipment. Top print. Printing width 210 mm. Side print. Printing width 27 mm. Using environmentally friendly UV ink. Low odor, low cost, high efficiency. Printing 300 pieces. Ink consumption of about 1 yuan. For more equipment information, please contact us.